Now we are going to look at the self-havening technique. The self-havening technique was developed by Dr. Ronald Rudin, and he is a Harvard graduate, and he developed this technique. And this technique will help you also to relieve pain. And the most important thing about this technique is actually that it will make you feel safe. There's certain touches involved in these techniques, and there's also things like eye movements and sometimes also tapping. You will see I will link two more videos below, or link two more videos in the course if you're watching that on our website, and you will see that some practitioners are doing it in a different way. There's one video that we will see which will be from a doctor from New Zealand, Dr. Robin Youngson, who is doing a lot in havening, and he will teach you some havening techniques. And then after that, there's also a video from a guy called Paul McKenna, which is one of my mentors, and he's doing it in a little different way. So some of these practitioners are using eye movements, they're using different eye movements. Some of them use also humming, like in the TFT touching, and the stroking is also different sometimes. Sometimes they just stroke down on the side of the arms, and sometimes also you can stroke in your face. This technique has proven to increase delta brain waves enormously, and this will help you actually to calm down, to feel safe, to focus more on your body, and also to relieve pain. So also in this case, please have a look at the videos and have a look how they are doing it. You can go through the videos by yourself, and I want to encourage you to also not just watch the video, but try it out on yourself. These are self-havening techniques, but everything you learn in these techniques, you can also use on other people. So you could also go ahead and, of course, with permission of the other people, use these havening techniques on other people and help them through your touch to relieve pain.